Squad, and we are here at Mr. Tycoon's office. We're about to go meet with one of my buddies, Dominic GC, to go see about building on that lot that Mr. Tycoon is JVing with us with, or that we're JVing with him on. See if we can build that. First we'll power new construction. Then after that, we're going over to get that contract signed on that deal the mentee found yesterday. What? So we're getting it done. We'll power.
Hey, good morning, Miss Johnson. This is Ethan Crow, just calling to confirm that we are still meeting at your house at 12 o'clock. If you can give me a call back at 770-883-5417, that would be great. Thank you, ma'am, and I look forward to seeing you.
All right, Power Squad, so we're here waiting for Dom, my GC. Tycoon's down there. On time is early. No, wait. On time is late. Early is on time. Mr. Brooks, shout out.
Is he dead?
Nah, I don't think he's dead yet. All right, Power Squad. Dom just got here. Yeah, buddy.
You know, the way numbers work, we can play with numbers a million different ways on a bunch of different options to see what makes the most sense. It'd be a beautiful thing, and what I just got done doing for a doctor from Africa is last year one of the new construction builds is I built a 4,500 square foot quadplex. But see, they were already zoned for that.
All right, Power Squad, so we're here, gonna get that lot under contract. Yeah, buddy, we'll power. What's going on, Power Squad? And we're here with Miss Johnson.
Hi.
All right, Power Squad, we'll power here, and we're at Project Checker Flag, checking up on Javier. He's here, working, yeah, buddy. So let's see how much progress we got.
Little celebration cigar.
That's right, you already know.
Just signed off. It's been a minute.
Yep,
But
we got our fifth one.
as Kobe said, job's not done.
That's right.
¿Qué pasa?
All right, Power Squad, so we're leaving Project Checker Flag. Javier's here with his buddy working. His brother's coming in tomorrow, so you have 3 heads here tomorrow. I got another project for him to start next week, so I need him to finish this up. If not, he's gonna lose that job and I'll give it to somebody else. We'll power.
As you know, Will, we just signed a contract today. It feels really good.
Yeah,
My pockets feel even better. But I feel like giving back to the community because what goes around comes around.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
So I want to offer you guys a $25 gift card.
Show me the money.
First subscriber to comment down below on this video, show me the money.
Say it with me one time, Jerry.
Show you the money.
Oh, no, you can do better than that, Jerry. I want you to say it with meaning, bro.
And also comment your Instagram handle as well. And then we'll send you guys this gift card. We can either meet up or we'll mail it to you. But more than likely, we want to meet up face to face. So yeah, make sure you guys comment down below. Show me the money.
Jerry, you better yell. Show me the money.
And make sure you put your Instagram handle there. And $25.
Damn, like that?
Yeah, bro.
Wait, hold up.
So I was a little surprised you asked Christy for my number.
What is that?
$25 to go and eat at Cheesecake Factory
Yeah.
on Willpower.
Aren't you married?
Yeah, but what? Married people can't have friends?
But $25, you know Willpower is a little different.
We're gonna be friends?
Yeah. You want to be my friend?
So let's make it $50. What? Yeah, so you can take $50 so you can take your mistress.
We're not gonna be friends.
You knocked me dead.
No paper trail. We got you covered at Willpower. $50, take the mistress out to Cheesecake Factory on Willpower.
Wow. And how do they get the $50?
First subscriber to comment down below. Willpower, show me the money.
Show me the money.
We'll DM you. Get your information. We'll either meet up or mail it to you.
Yep. Make sure you guys put your Instagram handle. That's the only way we're going to be able to get in contact with you.
Exactly. All right. Let's see who wins it.
large primary bedroom or sometimes even a primary bedroom. And by doing that, again, we're able to increase that income significantly for our investors.
At their last 1050 rollover.
It's officially the easiest time for you to go viral as a creator, and I'm gonna drop the tea on how you can make your business blow up on TikTok in less than a week. The first thing you need to do is look at how often you're uploading. If you're uploading at least every single day, your views are looking like 0 to 1,000 views on every single one of your videos. This is gonna be where we now look at the percentage of how many people are interacting with your videos. Based off of the last 5 videos that you've uploaded, if 40% of the people that are viewing your videos are not interacting with them, for example, if you get 700 views, you should at least be getting 300 likes on that video. This probably means that you're somewhat being shadow banned by TikTok and that you need to start on this new posting schedule almost immediately for your account to do well in the first place. For you to get enough analytics back to decide if it's best for you to create a new account, I would recommend posting at least 3 times for the next 3 days. And if none of those posts do over 1,000 views, then this probably means that you're shadow banned. CapCut templates are now one of the best ways to actually get new engagement on your profiles without having to put in a bunch of work into your videos in the first place or have to sit down to create them. The best way to find these CapCut templates is going to be the same way that you find undersaturated trending sounds. You're going to scroll on the For You page, tap on the sound for that CapCut template, and if over 10,000 people have used it within the last week, this means that it is an undersaturated CapCut template and that you should use it for 1 out of 3 of the videos that you post every single day. I think consistency and quality is necessary, but if you want to be able to hit the ground running with more content and be able to actually post consistently, I would recommend doing 1 out of 3 videos, a CapCut template with this exact strategy. This is going to be about knowing how to psychologically interact with your audience in the first place. To do this, I use my clip circulation method so I don't have to come up with new content every single time that I sit down. I just abide by a set rules and frameworks that mend with whenever the algorithm changes. So if the algorithm decides to switch up, as it has recently as well, my content is still going to perform throughout the test of time because it's optimized for human engagement. Social media is way too good of an opportunity to post without a strategy, especially for your business. You can learn more about my clip circulation method at the top of my page. Book a call with me to learn more.
When the competition's driving for dollars.
Sign, turn right onto Flagler Circle Southeast. Then the destination is on your left. Destination is on your left. Flagler Circle Southeast. Arrived.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
Reach for the stars.
Alright, guys. You know, Will, as you know, we signed a contract today. And I just want to give back to our viewers.
What do you mean?
You know, Will, it felt good signing a contract today. But you know what even feels better? To give back to our viewers.
What do you mean?
So honestly,